Hi, I'm Amanda from Surface Paradise Hair Wraps and Braiding, and this is my daughter Savannah. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and easy design that you can do and make yourself at home with the children. You need these elastics and you need the hair from our website www.hairwrapsandbraiding.com.au. Just click on the link there to buy the hair and choose your elastics, or you can use your own elastics from home. The end product is going to look like this, with obviously your choice of colours. Very quick, very easy to do, and this is how you do it. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy design that you can do with your kids at home. We call it our ponytail braided extension. We do many different styles at our shop in Surface Paradise. We've been in business there for 25 years. We do the double Dutch braids, specialise in those, cornrows, handmade hair wraps. We did all the braids for the Aquaman movie a couple of years ago. So if you ever watch that, we're in the underwater scene. All the people in the audience with their braided hair, we did that. So all you need to do for this style is buy our hair from our online shop. We couldn't decide which colour to use, so we picked out 3 of our favourites. And what you need to do to make this style is you just need to pick out a little bit of colour from whichever ones you choose. So I'm going to do a little bit of pink, a little bit of my favourite teal colour, and my daughter Savannah chose this light pink. You can choose your school colours, your favourite sports team, whatever you so wish. Okay, so once you've got your 3 colours like that, you can either mix them up a little bit just to make it a bit more blended, or you can just keep them separate and have one strand of the plait a different colour. But I like them all mixed up, so I've mixed them up just a little bit. Okay, we supply these hair elastics online as well. They are the best because they're super strong. I've just attached mine to a lounge room chair, and we're just going to pull that through like that. So this is what gets the hair attached to the elastic. We've got a video to show you how to then put this in your hair, along with all the other videos on our online shop. You can look at many different styles. So all you do, if you can do a plait, you can do this. But to show you very simply, we've got 3 strands. 1, 2, 3. Try and make them all about the same size. And then we just take the outside one over the inside one, outside over inside, and just keep plaiting all the way down, keeping it nice and tight as you go. Now the beautiful thing about this hair is if you've had some fun with your double Dutch braids, you can actually reuse that hair to make this plait. And this is something that you can use for years and just take in and out of your hair as you need. So I'm just going to go really fast down to the end now. See all the colours coming into play there, many designs that you can do. I don't know what your favourite sports teams is or what your school colours are, you can do those colours. Just try and keep your plait nice and even and tight as you go. I'm just whizzing through this really quickly. And you can make it whatever length you like as well, of course, but most of the girls that I've worked with over my 25 years would love to have really long hair and in bright colours. We even have glow-in-the-dark hair, so if you choose our glow products, you'll get something really special. So if you make a mistake, just undo it to where you faltered there and just make sure that that's perfect as you keep going. And keep going right down to the end of the hair. And you can add as many of these braids onto your hair tie as you so wish. We normally do 2, so you've got 1 for each side of the face. And I'm just going to finish it up there because one of my strands is just getting a little bit thin. So I'm just going to get a little elastic here. We use these extra strong elastics. Again, you can get any elastic, or you can get these from our website as well. So we'll just use that to secure that. These are elastics that don't break in the water. And there you have it. That's your first strand ready to put in your daughter's hair, whoever wants to use it. Keep adding to these as many times as you want, as many different colours as you want. And that's a bright and fun hairpiece. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Now I'm going to show you how to actually put the product that you've made yourselves at home into your daughter's hair or whoever wants to wear it. Okay, so Savannah's chosen these two beautiful colour combinations that obviously you're going to design your own creation. All you need to do is put a ponytail into the hair to start with, and then just get your hairpiece and just wrap it around as you would a normal elastic into the ponytail. Now you can wear as many of these as you want. Today Savannah's going to wear 2. So Savannah's got quite thick hair, so I'm just going to wrap this around 3 times. You can even use the hair once you've trialed the double Dutch braid style on our other YouTube video. You can use that hair to make this style afterwards, so you can keep using the same pieces of hair. Okay, so that's what one looks like. Very beautiful. And now we're going to add in the second one. And obviously on one elastic, you can put as many of these plaits as you want. We just normally put 2 on, but you can make your own creations. Okay, so now we're just going to tie the second one in. And again, you can buy these from our website, www.hairwrapsandbraiding.com.au, or our Facebook page, which is Surfers Paradise Hair Wraps and Braiding, and our Instagram @hairwrapsandbraiding. And then we're just going to tie that around one more time, and then they stay in for a long time. And you can just keep going with as many of these as you want, so you can have a rainbow full of hair. And this is something very easy that the kids and mums can definitely achieve at home. Okay, and there we have it. Another beautiful hairstyle. Quick, easy, simple, from Surfers Paradise Hair Wraps and Braiding. Lots of fun. Enjoy.